Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to reset your password to a new one on Beyond Bank. If you've forgotten your password during the login process and you don't know what to do next, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Click open your web browser first. In the address box at the top, type in www.beyondbank.com.au and then enter. You'll end up in the official website of Beyond Bank. Go ahead and click on the login button at the upper right hand corner in order to end up in the login area. Enter your member number in the member number text field that you see, and then go ahead and type in your password in the password text field if you happen to remember your password during the process. But if you don't remember your password at all and you'd like to reset to a new password, click on this forgot your password link. On the next page, type in your member number one more time, type in your date of birth information on the next field, and then type in your mobile number on the next field. Click on I'm not a robot for verification, complete the CAPTCHA that has been displayed, and finally click on the next button to move forward. Once you click next, on the next page your account will be verified and you'll be guided on how you can reset your password to a new one. That is how you'll be able to reset your password to a new one even if you've forgotten your password during the login process. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.